I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins at the closing market minute for Thursday, June 26th. Soybeans and corn both ended the session lower, continuing to see pressure from the generally favorable crop conditions in much of the Midwest and Plains. Parts of the region have seen some rainfall recently, and more areas could see some precipitation here in the very near future. That's going to continue to be largely beneficial for these stages of crop development. There's also some position squaring ahead of the USDA's quarterly grain stocks and planted acreage totals, which are going to be out on the 30th, this upcoming Monday. Wheat closed lower. There was pressure from lower global prices out of the U.S. session and the ongoing world winter wheat harvest. Harvest progress here in the United States has been a little bit slower than average, but should pick up steam in some areas thanks to drier conditions. Meanwhile, Minneapolis continues to assess recent rainfall in parts of the northern U.S. plains and the Canadian prairies. Live cattle were mixed and feeders were higher, waiting for direct cash cattle business to develop. Direct cattle markets did remain fairly quiet during the session, but packer inquiry has started to improve. Asking prices at last check were $228 to $230 on the live basis and $376 plus dressed. That was well above the most recently reported bids of $222 live and $365 dressed. And hogs closed lower, with pork down at midday, getting ready for the USDA's quarterly inventory numbers, which were out after Thursday's close. With the closing market minute for Thursday, June 26th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.